Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to pay for Instagram ads successfully without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can successfully pay for your Instagram ads direct on Instagram without any stress. You can use any type of card to do this transaction, either MasterCard or Visa card. All you have to do is to follow the step by step I'm taking in this video and make sure you set your payment method default in a proper way. So let's get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about digital marketing or Facebook or Instagram marketing, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be replying to whatsoever question you might have for me. So let's get straight to the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is to you have to access your Instagram account right here. This is my Instagram icon right here. So I'm going to click on here, and here is my Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so as you can see, this is we are live on Instagram. Okay, so next thing you have to do is to access your profile page. All you have to do is to come here, click on this icon here to access your profile page. Okay, all right, so here is my Instagram profile account. So the next thing you have to do right here is to click on this three dots at the top right here. Click on that. You see a three dot at the top here, click on that point. So when you click on that, it takes you down here. Okay, so at this point here, you need to click on settings. Then it takes you here, okay. Then from the very point here, you need to click on business. Click on here. Business, okay. So you click on business, it takes you here. So what you are going to do next here is to click on promotion payments right here. Click on this point right here, promotion payments. So I'm going to click on that. So it takes you right here, okay. Now at this point here, you can see method of payment with my Facebook business page. Okay, so you have to click on here to add your payment method. Okay, so when you click on that, it take you here. So you can see that this ad account, this Instagram ad account has a 0 naira. Okay, so what I'm going to do right away is to click on add funds. Okay, so when you click on add funds, this is going to open up. So next thing you have to do, you can edit this page to any amount of your choice. So for a practical purpose, I'm going to edit that point to just let me just put in 50 naira. There is no any amount of money you can pay as far as this payment method is concerned. So I'm just putting this a little token amount of money to show you guys how you can actually pay successful for your Instagram account. You can actually add any amount of fund, like I said. So next thing you have to do is to choose your payment method. You have to add your payment method. If you are in Nigerian, make sure you choose PayU. But if you are outside Nigeria, you can use this particular method right here. It's going to work for you perfectly. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm in Nigeria. So the next thing for me is to choose Naira payment with MasterCard, which is this PayU right here. So if you are in Nigeria also, make sure you choose that. So when you choose that, it's the next step you have to take is to click on add funds. All right, so at this point here, you need to click on continue. Okay, so let me enlarge so you guys can see it. So you click on continue right here. All right, so you can see the option right here that you are paying this sum of amount of naira into Facebook ads account. It's still the same thing. Like some people do made a mistake. You can pay for Instagram ads on Facebook ad account, or you can pay it direct on Instagram page. So you're still doing the same thing. So what I'm going to do next now is to fill in my card details, starting from my card number right here. So I'm going to fill in card number. Then when you fill up all your details, so your card number, here, your card holder name, here you click on here to check the month that your card will expire. So my card expire on May 2024. You click on that, choose year. Then the 3-digit code at the back of your card, you're going to enter it right there. So when you are done filling all your card, then you click on pay. Okay. So I'm going to fill in all the detail where I have the. All right, so I have to check my, okay. So here you have to click on here to authorize the payment. I'm going to click on that. Then finally click on submit. All right, so I'm going to receive a OTP code. So let me quickly check my mail to complete the payment. Let me quickly check my mail. Let me refresh. Okay, here is the OTP right here. I have 53960906. I have 53. Oh, sorry. 53. I think 53. 539606. 9606. Then finally, you're going to have to come here, click on submit. All right, so you can see now that transaction was successful. So you can click on continue to continue back to Instagram and start running your ads. Okay, so for you to be sure that this transaction was actually successful, you can go back to your Instagram account. So let me quickly go back to my Instagram account. So here is my Instagram account. I'll have to go back. Click on go back, and where is it? To go back. Anyway, let me close this particular point here, close this one also, and then I can easily go to my Instagram from here. Just to be sure that the payment was successful, and I can easily go back to my profile page and click on here to check my balance. Go back to settings, go back to business, payment promotion, then this page right here. Boom. So you can see that the payment was successfully. Initially, when I start this funding, the payment, there was no fund in this ad account prepaid balance. But now you can see that the account has been successfully funding with the sum of 50 naira. So as far as this is concerned, if you want to add more, just click on add more funds. So and then you follow the simple step and complete your payments without any stress. All you have to do is to watch the step-by-step I'm taking in this video and see how you get it done. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about Facebook or Instagram marketing, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever question you might have for me as far as this tutorial is concerned. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.